everyone, I'm Diana Zubiri, your host for today's adventure. Welcome back to Travel Now Asia, your passport to the world. So for today's adventure, dadalhin ko kayo sa napakagandang island of Bali. Kaya samahan niyo akong i-discover ang lugar, kultura at mga pagkain na magpapakita sa atin na ang Bali ay perfect destination para sa inyong bakasyon. Welcome to Bali!
Welcome to Bali, everyone.
Ayun guys, so we just landed here in Bali. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi.
Nandito na kami sa mga hotel.
Have a look at our view guys. We are here in Bali. Sobrang mainit. Dami kong pawis, but we're here, we made it. Have a look at that view guys. Absolutely stunning. You remember this when you were a baby?
Oo, papunta na kami sa villa namin. Yeah.
And you're gonna swim. Yes, Mimi's excited.
Si Mimi sobra.
Ayun, so if you've never been to Bali, actually, they give you the flower necklace. It's kind of like a, I guess, cultural thing for them. And it's just a way of saying welcome. So Mimi had hers kanina, pero wala na. Ayun na. Where's your flowers, babe? Wala na. Ayun. So we're off to our villa. What's up guys? So we decided to head over to the beach. Grabe, sobrang mainit. Parang Pilipinas. So we're probably gonna stay under a shade because of the heat and baka si Mimi hindi niya kaya. Lele, mainit ba?
Super hot.
Not for Lele. So we're just gonna get some shakes. And I'm guessing Mimi is gonna run on the beach.
Ayan, it's Andy's turn. Sila naman ang magsuswimming ngayon. So nandito kami ulit sa villa. Lumabas kami kanina dun sa main hotel, which is beachfront. Pero yun nga, sobrang init. Tapos may swimming pool din dun. So gusto nila ulit mag-swimming. So dito at least makulimlim. At may ano na, kumbaga may shade na. Pwede na nilang i-enjoy talaga. Galing ni Lele.
Alrighty guys, so as you know, we are now here in Bali. It's a little bit breezy now, but it's been an absolutely amazing day so far. It's been really, really hot. So we just pulled in here to our villa. We have a nice, beautiful pool outside, and Mimi's already swum twice and dipped her feet twice, so it's a total of almost 4 times now being in the water. But the kids love it, and I think the beauty of traveling with them is they get to get all of these experiences. So I hope you enjoy the next Bali trip, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do.
Look at Mimi.
I'm going
Pink na. We are settled here na guys sa aming villa. Grabe ang aming pagod. Kaya naman kami muna ay matutulog at magpapahinga, and ipapakita namin sa inyo ang mga escapades at adventure namin bukas. Maraming salamat mga Zoo. Good night guys. Bye-bye. Good morning mga Zoobs. This is our officially first day in Bali. Kami ay naglalakad papunta sa aming breakfast dahil masyadong maaga. Usually we have a shuttle, pero sabi 8 o'clock pa, ay masyadong late na yung 8 o'clock. Meron kaming tour today, kaya naman kailangan maaga. So ayan, walking lang. So maaga ako nakatulog kagabi mga Zoobs, kaya ang aga-aga ako nagising today. Dahil excited na ako sa tour namin. Eto, nandito na kami sa kotse mga Zoobs. So bale, meron kaming gagawing tour. I believe it's the whole day yung tour namin. And syempre, papakita namin sa inyo yung iba't ibang kultura dito sa Bali. Habang ipinapakita sa inyo yung lugar, kasi makikita natin dito ang daming temple, yung mga places, iba-iba yan. So pati yung mga pagkain, subukan natin. At buong maghapon kaming maglalakwat siya dito sa Bali. So ang una naming pupuntahan, tawag nila dito Git Falls.
So we just finished a 3-hour drive. This is quite a steep walk actually, but it kind of feels like you're going to Baguio because it's all uphill. Tapos ang daming forest trees, mga ganun. May rice terraces din. So it actually looks a lot like Baguio, and it's cooler here. It's still humid, but it's not as hot as what it was in Nusa Dua. So yeah, we're going down here to Git now, and we will check out the waterfalls. Alright, here they come.
Nandito na kami sa waterfalls. So this is another falls. So si King, itatry niya yung swing. Make sure you hold up. Hindi na po niya kinaya. Akyat baba po kasi kami. At ayaw magpababa nung isa. Na, Mimi. Mga Zoobs, medyo malayo ang lakad namin. Paakyat na kami ngayon. So mga Zoobs, nandito naman kami sa Handara Gate. Hindi pwede pumasok kasi nga kailangan magbabayad ka ata. We cannot go. Hanggang dito lang kami tingin. Guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Ulun Datu Beratan. Yan. Ito ang kanilang temple. pagpasok mo guys, meron tayong tinatawag na playground. Tapos it's a big garden na marami kang pwedeng puntahan.
Wow!
Yan, tapos na kami dito guys. Yeah, we'll look for ice cream. So, we like this place also kasi pwedeng-pwede yung mga bata, natutuwa sila, nag-e-enjoy sila dahil very colorful and at the same time, ito yung parang pinaka-different sa lahat ng mga nakita namin so far. Dahil nga, syempre, meron siyang touch for kids. So there everyone, natapos na ang ating day 1 para sa ating travel. And tomorrow, magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng another one. So, abangan ninyo dahil meron kaming iba't ibang lugar na pupuntahan ulit. Siyempre, dito lang yan sa Travel Now Asia. See you!